All right, today we're going to talk about the magnetic liner and mascara. I had to voice over this because of my terrible video job. But anyway, Amy's talking about here how if you flip it over, there is a W that shows you that's the wand side of the mascara, because this magnetic mascara comes with both liner on one side and the mascara on the other side. So what you're going to do is just going to go underneath right at the base with the wand, the mascara wand. Don't poke your eye out, just kidding. But seriously, you're just gonna go right at the base, and you're gonna do this on both eyes, of course. So you can see how she's just going right underneath. She's just setting it gently at the base. The reason for that is because that's where the magnets are on the lashes. So if you're putting it all throughout your lashes, it's going to be a problem because those magnets are going to stick all throughout the magnets, or all throughout the lashes, rather than just at the base. So she's letting that dry for a second, and then she's actually coming in with the wand and going on the top of your lashes right at the base. So this is with the liner wand rather than the mascara brush. She went underneath with the brush and on top with the liner. So you can see she's not actually touching the lid. She's going right at the base of the lashes. You're gonna wanna do this on both eyes, of course. And you wanna wait, I would recommend 2 coats, and I would recommend waiting 2 minutes between each coat and letting it dry at least 2 minutes before you apply the lashes. All right, now she's coming in with the lashes, and you can see she's literally just gonna set them right on top. And you can adjust them, pinch your lashes, see how she's pinching them so that they combine with your natural lash, and they literally just set right on top. Voila. Gorgeous.